Hello dosto, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Direction 360. In this video lecture, we are starting word association sentence starting from alphabet R. The first word is respect. Its meaning in Urdu language is इज्जत या एहतराम. The sentence of word respect is respect everyone. The second sentence of word respect is respect comes from respect. Respect comes from respect. The next word is regular. Its meaning in Urdu language is बाकायदा. The sentence of word regular is hard. The sentence of word regular is toppers are regular in studies. या इसका दूसरा सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं टेक रेगुलर डाइट. Take exercise regularly, etc. The next word is rod. Its meaning in Urdu language is chhadi. The sentence of word rod is never misuse the rod. Never misuse the rod. The next word is resources. Its meaning in Urdu language is zakhair. The sentence of word resources is Pakistan have resources of minerals. The next word is repute. Its meaning in Urdu language is shnaख्त. The sentence of word repute is make good repute by deeds. The next word is reward. The sentence, its meaning in Urdu language is badla. The sentence of word reward is pay is reward of work. The other most meaningful sentence of word reward is success is reward of hard work. Success is the reward of hard. The next word is recover. Its meaning in Urdu language is बहाल करना या दोबारा निजात हासिल करना. या निजात हासिल करना. या दुरुस्त करना भी होता है। The sentence of word recover is recover your weaknesses. या must recover foul. The next word is rest. Its meaning in Urdu language is aram. The sentence of word rest is rest relaxes mind. The next word is rumor. Its meaning in Urdu language is afwah. The sentence of word rumor is rumor has no reality. The other sentence of word rumor is rumor always baseless. The next word is refrain. Its meaning in Urdu language is परहेज करना. The sentence of word refrain is refrain evil act. या refrain from bad habits. Refrain from evil act, refrain from bad habits, या फिर refrain from bad company. Next word is resist. Its meaning in Urdu language is बचाना भी होता है वैसे, या फिर मुजम्मत या मुजाहमत करना. The meaningful sentence of word resist is resist against enemy, या फिर resist against evil acts. The next word is rigidity. Its meaning in Urdu language is akkadpan. The sentence of word rigidity is never show other meaningful sentence of word rigidity is God या Allah dislikes rigidity. Allah dislikes rigidity. The next word is risk. The mean in Urdu language is दाव पर लगाना भी कह सकते हैं, दाव पर लगाना ना, या खतरे में डालना. The sentence of word risk is risk life for country. Other meaningful sentence of word risk is risk for noble cause. The most meaningful sentence of word risk is high risk, higher the risk, higher risk, high aim. The next word is rising. Sorry. The other meaningful sentence of word risk is a symbol of bravery. The next word is rising. Its meaning in Urdu language is उठना, उभरना या उठना. The sentence of word rising is early rising is good for health. Early rising is good for health. The next word is repeat. Its meaning in Urdu language is दोहराना. रिपीट को प्रैक्टिस के साथ भी एसोसिएट कर सकते हैं या सिंपल इसका बनाएं डोंट रिपीट द past mistakes. The next word is response. Its meaning in Urdu language is रद्द-ए-अमल. The sentence of word response is response should quick. The next word is rule. Its meaning in Urdu language is qawaneen. The sentence of word rule is rules are for safety. The next word is rest. Its meaning in Urdu language is आराम. The sentence of word rest is rest relaxes mind. Yeah, night sleep gives rest. Sleep gives rest. The next word is rain. Its meaning in Urdu language is बारिश. The sentence of word rain is blessing of Allah. The next word is rick. Its meaning in Urdu language is dher. The sentence of word rick is Multan Fort contains rick of weapons. word is rear. Its meaning in Urdu language is nayab. The sentence of word rear is rear books are found in library. The next word is reaction. Its meaning in Urdu language is radde amal. The sentence of word reaction is reaction should be positive. Reaction should be positive. The next word is rigid. Its meaning in Urdu language is sakht. The sentence of word rigid is rigid personality face problems. The next word is reform. Its meaning in Urdu language is islah. The sentence of word reform is reform should be accepted. The next word is relief. Its meaning in Urdu language is आराम या सुकून. The sentence of word relief is sleep relieves mind या body भी लिख सकते हैं. The next word is regarder. Its meaning in Urdu language is मुलाहिजा करने वाला. The sentence of word regarder is regarder to be regarded to be gentleman. The next word is regret. Its meaning in Urdu language is पछतावा. The sentence of word regret is hard work is better than regret. बैठ के प्रैक्टिस कर लो. अल्लाह ना करे ये ना हो कि ISSB में आपको भी रिग्रेट